Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to personalize system sounds on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to the sounds and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Here you've got system and now you can activate and deactivate some options. So for example, you can activate touch sound. So as you can hear, now it's on and you can hear every touch sound. Then you can turn on or off dial pad tones, screen locking sounds or screenshot sounds, so as you wish. So this is how you can personalize it. You can change it whenever you want to, because you can simply activate and deactivate it just by tapping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.